Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and I want to show some of the new varieties of tomato that we have coming to our collection. This gorgeous, sexy tomato is called Marianna's Piece, and I have been eyeballing this one down here. Look how beautiful this is. Let's break this baby off. Look at this. Look. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's so beautiful. We could even have let it ripen a little bit longer, but that's okay. I'm gonna slice this bad boy open and we're gonna tell you what it tastes like. So let's see. Look at that. That is what we call a classic slicer. This on a BLT would be amazing. So let's see what the flavor's like. Oh my God. So different than some of our other tomatoes. There's quite a bit of acid, but it balances with the sweetness. Super savory, really juicy, and all around delicious tomato. And as you can tell, this is the first one off this plant, and more are coming that are even bigger. So this is a very large tomato, and the Marianna's Piece produces large slicers like this one, and they can get even bigger up to this size, or even larger than that. We've definitely seen some very large tomatoes off this plant. So this is the Marianna's Piece tomato, and you can find it in our collection.